Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix NBA 2K22 career mode is not working and how we can fix this. So let's dive into it. The first one is all about you have to follow these instructions, and before that, if you are for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. So let's move to the solution. The first one is all about fix my career file. That is what you have to do. So to do this, you just have to go over here on the Steam. Then you just have to click over here at the top on Steam. Now from here, you just have to go to backup and restore games. You have to click on this one, and you have to select the respective installed programs and go for next. And you have to select the respective game. Here I'm not having the game, so don't get confused. So you have to select the NBA 2K22 over from here. Then you just have to go for the next one. This is what you have to do, and it's gonna take a little bit time. So this is the first step which you have to try out. Once it is done, you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue up or not. And even if it's not working, then we have to move to the next one. Next one is all about you have to move to reinstall the NBA 2K22 game. And we have to see whether it's going to fix the issue. So to do this, you just have to go to the Steam itself, and you have to select the game from here. For example, imagine that the crab game is the game, because I'm not having the game, so you don't get confused. Then you just have to right click and just have to go to properties. Over here there is an option called manage. There is an option called uninstall. Click on this one. Then you just have to reinstall the game, and you have to see. So these are the basic steps which you have to try out when you're having an issue with NBA 2K22 career mode is not working, and how we can fix this up. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.